Hi, today I'll be sharing with you a quick time-lapse video of 3 of my most recent drawings. They're currently on view at Peter's Projects Gallery in Santa Fe, New Mexico. My name is Fernando Andrade. I'm a full-time artist. I work with representational drawings using graphite and charcoal on paper. And on the other hand, I also work with large, colorful, abstract paintings done with acrylic on canvas. I post once a week. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Doing so will let me know that you want to see more videos of my process, and I'll also be sharing tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. So enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Creativity Takes Courage by Henry Matisse. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions on things you would like to see in the future. Till next time.